I don't think you always have to be moving and pushing and rushing and pleasing to be fulfilled. And you can always count on a squirrel to let you know it's his territory or something's around. Also got some pine trees from the edge of the road that I can plant at home. They'll only get cut off when they clear brush. It smells so good. And it's a good time of year to plant them. Let's see. Somebody's been eating rose bushes. Sometimes we really don't have anything to share. We lose our voice. This fall is so beautiful, and I'm finding myself just pausing and taking it in. A couple of days it'll be hunting season. It's just been beautiful. I think maybe it comes from being content. Not having to rush and push myself anymore, even though I should. But I've done my time through my youth and through my years, that this is my time to turn them golden and watch others reach for the stars. There's something to be said about enjoying a quiet and still peaceful day. As I tell this story, this hawk lands beside me to listen. The spirit animal. And if that's not a sign, nothing is. To trust your path.